Good morning, children. We are back with our English subject and hope you are ready with your English textbook and your English textbook lesson. You remember in our last video we saw the poem. It was very short and I told you to learn it by heart and send me your voice recording after learning your poem by heart. Don't see and read and then take your audio recording. You are going to say by heart, and I'll ask your mother whether you send me your audio by heart, done by hearting, by learning the poem or by just reading the poem from the textbook. I'll come to know, children. Okay. Have you opened your book to page number 48? But now you have to turn to your exercise discussion. Let's discuss the exercise from this page. First you are going to read these vocabularies. You have your vocabulary over here. Can you see the first word in this area? It's breeze. Breeze is a light and pleasant wind. Country, it's any area outside towns and cities, भीड़ भड़के से दूर. With fields, woods and farms. So you know country is very pleasant area to be there and enjoy your holidays. Hillside, the side of a hill, यानी कि जहाँ पर ऊंचे नीचे माउंटेन्स होते हैं छोटे बड़े जिस पे आप चढ़ सकते हैं, आप भाग भाग के उतर सकते हैं, that is your side of a hill. Lane, a narrow road in the country. अभी कंट्री में जो रोड होते हैं वो बड़े बड़े नहीं होते हैं, छोटी छोटी पगडंडियाँ होती हैं. कच्चे रोड भी मिलेंगे आपको, थोड़े बहुत पक्के भी मिलेंगे आजकल तो, बट ज़्यादातर पहले जो था कुछ साल पहले उधर पक्के नहीं मिलते थे, पगडंडियाँ मिलती थी, कच्चे छोटी छोटी गलियाँ मिलती हैं. ओके. मैडो, अ फील्ड कवर्ड इन ग्रास. ओके. तो आपकी जो हिल साइड पे भी जो हाबर धाबर सी, इट इज़ डन दिस वे, ऐसे होते हैं मैडोज़. आपने कोई पिक्चर में देखा होगा, ऊपर नीचे जो हिल्स होती हैं आसपास, ये सारे के सारे जो हिल्स एरिया होते हैं ये सब एक ग्रीनरी होती है, बहुत सारी, बहुत सब जगह पर ग्रास ही ग्रास उगी भी रहती है. और आप जब इस हिल पे चढ़ोगे आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा चढ़ने के लिए, उतरने के लिए. बट हाँ, जब बारिश होती है तो ये एरिया पूरा फिसलना होता है. इट इज़ वेरी dangerous to climb and walk out or come down from this meadow area. Okay children, it's not so high. ये जो ऊपर नीचे चलते हैं इतने ऊंचे ऊंचे नहीं होते हैं, स्लोप्स होते हैं थोड़े बहुत. ओके. और स्लिपरी बहुत होता है, जैसे कि हिंदी में बोलते हैं फिसलनी एरिया. तो ये जब सूखा रेन होता है तो ये फिसलना हो जाता है, बट जब आपका सनशाइन होता है तो ये सूखा एरिया होता है. बट ग्रास तब भी रहती है, ग्रीनरी तब भी रहती है उधर. सो दिस इज़ योर मैडो एरिया. देन मैरी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मैरी? यू नो, हैप्पी एंड चीयरफुल, जब आप बहुत खुश होते हैं. नीथ इज़ द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ बीनीथ, अंडर समथिंग, किसी के नीचे, अंडर समथिंग, बीनीथ द ट्री. ओके. Yes, a little more of the poem. Let's see what's the first question. From where does the poet wants us to run away? Poet जो है हमें कहाँ से भाग जाने बोलती हैं, कहाँ से run away बोलती हैं? She tells us to run away. So you are going to write. I'll give you in writing, but here I will write. ऐसे लिखते हैं क्योंकि आपका मैंने देखा है you are not starting with a capital letter. Please children, start your sentence with capital letter. So you are going to start this way. The poet, T will be capital, I don't want small t. The poet, you can write poet name also. The poet Mary. The poet, अगर नाम डालना है तो आपको कॉमा डाल के, और मैरी का नाम जो है M will be in caps, capital. The poet Mary want us to, the poet wants us to run away from the city. See over here, from the city. Okay, from the first very line of the poem is giving you, run away from the city. सिटी से क्यों भाग जाने बोलती हैं? क्योंकि इधर बहुत शोर शराबा होता है. ओके, लेट्स सी द सेकेंड. रन इन द रेन ड्रॉप्स मीन्स वी शुड गो आउट व्हेन इट इज़, क्या आएगा आंसर? रेनिंग. जब बारिश होती है तभी हमारी पोएट जो है व्हेन इट इज़ रेनिंग. तो ये सेंटेंस शुरू नहीं हो रहा है, सो यू विल राइट योर आर इन स्मॉल व्हेन इट इज़ रेनिंग. Okay children, and you're going to underline it, or you can write it in your textbook over here itself, when it is raining. Okay, yes, give two pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Two pairs of rhyming words will be, see, I'll go back to your poem, turn your page to your 48, and here it is. You can have sun run, you have sun run, then you have here one more in over here, trees breeze, then more are there, lane again, then you have merry country, day away. So many pairs of rhyming words are there, you can take any two pairs. So I will take sun run, trees breeze. What it is? Sun run, trees breeze. So third answer is sun, put a hyphen, and run, and trees breeze. Okay children, hope you are understanding your this answer. Yes, come over here now. What part does the poet want us to follow? Third stanza में कौन सा part आपको follow करने बोल रही है poet? So there are three parts. One, through the meadow, then see over here in the third stanza. It's very easy. See over here. One is to the hillside, run down the hillside, run up the lane, and run through the meadows. This will be your answer. So you are going to write this answer: meadows, lane, and hillside. Okay, I'll write this in a notebook. ये क्योंकि थोड़ा बड़ा आंसर है, I will write it and I'll send you in the PDF form. Okay, with what does the poet wants us to run little races? Little races हमें किसके साथ run करने बोल रही है poet? With the breeze. Do you remember with the breeze के साथ उन्होंने little race run करने बोला है? See, I am turning again and again to the poem. See, little races with each little breeze. So breeze के साथ हमें race करने बोल रही है. She is telling us to have a race with little race with the breeze. This also I'll give you because इसका भी sentence थोड़ा बड़ा है. The poet wants us to run little race with the breeze. Okay, why does the poet use the word run so many times in the poem? ये poet जो है इन्होंने run क्यों इतनी बार बार use किया है? Because one thing is to show us some lyrics जो होते हैं हमारे गानों के, to show if that this poem is not only a poem but it is a sweet little song. तो song में जब हम chorus गाते हैं, you repeat some words again and again. This also the poet want to show, and plus she wants us to run from the crowd area again and again and enjoy the pleasant area of the countryside, hillside, meadow side. So that's why she is again and again telling us to run away from the city side. That's why she has used run. So this answer is also little big. I'll write and send you. Now this is the very enjoying time. Make paper boats on a rainy day and make them float in puddles with your friends. Okay, छोटे छोटे जो गड्ढे हो जाते हैं थोड़ा मट्टी के साथ, उसको puddles बोलते हैं. Children, so you are going to make boat and enjoy your sailing of the boat in the puddles. And what you are going to do it in this box area? Draw a sailing paper boat and color it. इधर आपको drawing करनी है boat की और आपको इसको color करना है. My drawing is not so good. You are going to show me your drawing and show someone is sitting over here and enjoying the boat. इनके हाथ चप्पू में जा रहे हैं. Okay, see over here, this is your area, this tool which is used to sail your boat, and you can show the water with blue color over here and clouds with light blue or whatever color you want to give for your clouds and your sea or the water. So children, we have done a discussion of the answers. Hope you have enjoyed your this questionnaires of your poem. Even I enjoyed doing this, solving this question answers. You are going to write the answers and send it back to me, and I'll be seeing your answers and correcting it and sending back to you the correct answers. Okay children, till then enjoy your day. Bye.